Now just imagine coming across a small little penny and being able to sell it for a lot of money just like the people in this video did. Now the chances of you finding one of these coins is pretty rare, but it is possible. And to find something in this good of condition is likely going to come from a collection and not necessarily something you get back in pocket change. As the subscribers on my channel always say, you have a higher probability of finding one of these coins than you do of hitting the lottery. Plus, it's always fun to look out for coins like this that sold for a lot of money. Without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into this video. So up first, we have a 1909 1 cent VDB coin graded by PCGS, a mint state proof 67 plus with a CAC sticker. So the first thing you're going to notice about this coin is that the coin has a bunch of rainbow color to it. Now that is called toning. Toning happens where the air oxidizes with the metals in the coin and changes the appearance of the coin. That will most likely increase the value of the coin because some collectors like collecting toned coins just like this one. Also, it's important to know that 1909 was the first date they issued this type of coin. Now if you flip the coin over and look in the back bottom center of the coin, you will see VDB. VDB is the initials of the engraver and designer of this coin, which is a pretty cool fact. Now this one also has a CAC sticker. So after you get your coin graded, you can send your coin off with the slab to another party called CAC. Now if you get the sticker on your holder, that's going to dramatically increase the value of the coin. You only really want to get CAC certification if the coin is worth getting graded in the first place and it's a really high-end coin. It's way worth the money that you spend to try to get the CAC sticker. You're not always going to get it, but if the coin looks really nice and the people at CAC think it looks good, they're going to put that CAC sticker on there. And because this coin graded at a 67 plus, it's a 1909 coin, it sold for $258,500. This coin sold for $373,750, and here's why. So this is a 1944S 1 cent coin struck on a zinc coated steel planchet graded by NGC, a mint state 66. Now remember, the highest grade we can get in grading is 70, but the main reason why this coin sold for so much money is because it was accidentally struck on a zinc coated steel planchet. If you have a 1944 penny, it should not look like this. It should look bronze. Now there are people out there that will artificially change the look of a 1944 bronze penny to make it look like this, and that is pretty much considered fraud for the people that are doing it, and you want to avoid something like this. So if you have a coin just like this one, you either have a genuine 1944S zinc coated steel planchet coin, or you unfortunately have an altered fake coin that someone made to make look like this. That way they would try to sell it and scam someone. You want to avoid that at all costs. Now here we have the reverse. Here's a 1943D 1 cent coin struck on a bronze planchet graded by PCGS, a mint state 64. Most 1943 pennies are going to be struck on a zinc coated steel planchet. This one was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet. This whole thing happened because of the war efforts. They needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into the zinc coated steel planchets. And because this one was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet and graded by PCGS, a mint state 64, it sold for $840,000. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.